Hi friends, welcome back. In this vlog I have covered a couple of places where you can visit when you are in South Goa. When you drive far to the southern Goa, you can witness the glory of the past, which is Cabo de Rama Fort. It is perched between the two famous beaches, Cavalosim and Agonda in South Goa. The Hindu and the Portuguese rulers had hands behind the development of this fort. One part of the fort will lead you to the top of it and the other one to its own premise church. The beautiful church was built by the Portuguese rulers, which is still in use. A feast is held once in a year. The fort is still in ruins. The fort gets its name from Lord Rama. According to mythology, Rama and his wife Sita stayed here while they were in their 14-year exile from Ayodhya. The magnificent fort overlooks the gorgeous Arabian Sea. The fort is popular for the mesmerizing sunset views. We also spotted a secluded hill overlooking the famous Cabo Sirai resort. The cliff is very near to the Cabo de Rama fort. We were able to experience an amazing scenic view with cold breeze. Buddha statue in South Goa is commonly known as Buddha Hill Trek. If you're fond of trekking, climbing and interested to have an awesome aerial view of the villages, then you must visit this place. Do carry sufficient water so that you don't get dehydrated as you climb the hill. The area is well barricaded as safety measures. I hope you enjoyed watching the 3 places which we have covered in this vlog. If so, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned with us for more videos. Until then, bye.